Hey guys, so this is going to be more of a vlog style type of video. I have some very exciting news, and that is Chris and I bought a house. So that's pretty cool. This vlog is going to be a move and unpack with me type of vlog. It's going to be a bunch of different footage just kind of compiled together, but I wanted to take you guys on this journey with Chris and I as we pack, unpack, paint.
Yes.
Oops, he's on the phone. I think he's trying to get internet set up. But I wanted to take you guys on this journey with us, showing you the packing process, unpacking. We have to paint the entire house, and the organizing and decorating, because that is the part I'm looking forward to the most for sure. And my filming studio area is going to be kind of non-existent for a little while. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and here's to the packing process. Okay, let's go. Okay, so as you can see, I have some boxes packed, mainly our book stuff, and I just finished this guy. This was where all the books and stuff from our honeymoon was. When you go into Target and Bed Bath & Beyond and you only intend to buy one thing and then you come back with way more than that. Hey guys, it is the second day of packing technically. Let me show you what all I have done. I just got home from work. I guess I'm gonna be packing for a while. Let's see. It's kind of hard to see. I did film a little bit yesterday, but this is what I've packed so far. Like literally nothing. Still have so much to pack, guys. Like everything got to go. All of it. I am trying to be as like cost effective as possible. We did not buy a ton of boxes, and we're just trying to get away with like what we can. I have a feeling that we are going to be making multiple trips back here. If you guys are new to my channel, I live in the basement of my parents' house, but Chris and I have lived in the basement of my mom and my stepdad's house for the last 9 months since we got married to save money for a house. And we're finally at the point where we can, which is awesome. Also, buying houses are very expensive. Like what? Why do things have to be so much money? So today I'm going to be organizing some stuff. I'm trying to get rid of stuff along the way that I don't need, that I don't want to take with me to the new house. So that's gonna be, yeah, the next couple hours. So let's just go ahead and zoom on through the packing. Okay guys, I still don't want to start. I'm still sitting here. We're house sitting for a dog and she keeps moving the door over there. Look at it, that's her nose. She's bumping it with her nose because she wants in. You guys, I have added like 3 more boxes to the little area, and we don't even have, like, there's just so much to do. I think we're gonna have to get more boxes. Yeah, we have so much stuff, and that's the thing when you, I don't know, get married, you accumulate a lot of stuff. But I finally have this guy like completely cleaned out, which is good. We had some records In here is a record player that I was able to pack. And then we're starting to work on the TV cabinet. I also did some of our decorations. It's crazy. I feel like I'm gonna be packing forever and I'm not even like a third of the way done. Okay, I'm gonna keep on plugging away. When packing also means completely going through all of our old like keepsakes and ditching the ones that I don't remember why I kept them. I feel like I'm actually making progress in this area. I have gotten down 2 bins so far, that one and this one. This is a box of keepsakes from Chris and I, and then this is just like memories in general that I love. But it's looking better. I mean, that it looks better than it did. And I'm watching Tati, of course. Oh my goodness. Look at how much this has grown. Isn't that crazy? We almost can't get through the stairs. The living room's looking good. I'm probably gonna start on our bedroom soon. I just got home from work and I got some wine, which makes me very happy. I think I'm going to loop Chris into packing with me today and just kind of work, just keep going. I mean, I think I'm for sure a third of the way done, which makes me feel pretty good. I'm gonna drink my wine. Hope you guys are doing well. Comment down below. Let me know if either of you guys are packing right now. It'll make me feel better. Not as overwhelmed. Okay, I'm going to get to the packing. This is my grandma's dog. We're watching her and she just lays at the top of the stairs waiting to be invited down. I'm thinking we need to tackle this and this. You guys, look at how much makeup I use on a daily basis. That's crazy. I'm just kidding. I don't use it every day, but it does pile up. And I think that's what I'm going to work on. I got everything off of the top of my makeup chest and the shelf, and we took the sign down. I got all of this squared away. Well, minus that stuff. It's all in this box. So we're gonna take a Harry Potter break because why not? Making progress.
What? What do you want? Huh?
It is the following day, continuing to move. Oh, gosh, it's just a mess. It's going to be a mess until we finally move. You listening to me? So like I said, it's the following day. I think I'm going to work in our bedroom today. Honey, come here. Don't go in there. I have lots of stuff underneath my bed that I don't know if I want. There's a lot of things in my closet and stuff that I don't know if I want. I'm trying to be smart about it and move things only that I really want to keep, and then donating stuff that I really don't want. So I think that's what we're gonna do today. Tomorrow is technically the first, let's see, we have when I'm filming this, we have 2 weekends left until we actually do move. You guys, I'm really tired. I've packed 1 bag. It's right there. I don't know. I feel like I had more energy like at the beginning of the vlog. Like I said, tomorrow is a weekend, so hopefully I'll have more energy. I think part of it is because I have been like packing after I've gotten home from work, and so I'm just like really tired, and today was a long day. I think that's probably why. It's 8:47. There it is, 8:47. So I'm gonna try and do maybe 1 or 2 more bags, and then I don't know, I'm just like mentally kind of tired. So okay, 1 last push and then I'll call it a night. Okay you guys, it's empty for the most part. I am creating a little stash right here of things to give away. I went through mainly this guy, got lots of stuff off of the shelves, went through our armoire. Yeah, so making progress. I'm actually feeling a little bit better about things than I did like maybe 45 minutes ago. We are going to take a break and watch some Friends and then probably go to bed, and then we'll wake up bright and early, move boxes upstairs, and keep going. We have lots of our wedding stuff in the crawl space as well, so we got to do that tomorrow, which I'm not looking forward to because bugs and stuff. It's ugh. I will check back in tomorrow morning. I don't know what I'm doing with my hair. I will check back in tomorrow morning when we are actually really have a full day to pack. It is Saturday and we ran to Home Depot. We got my parents' like housewarming gift to us was a rug, and then they bought us a guest mattress because we did not have one. So we are going to take all of this stuff. Let me turn the light on. Take all of this stuff upstairs today, as well as all of these boxes. And in the storage closet, like behind all of this stuff, there's a crawl space, and so we're going to take all the stuff out from there, take it all the way upstairs. We have, I'll show you the blanket and the mattress. So we're putting paper down to get ready to bring boxes up. Then this is our runner. And then those are the box spring and the mattress, and then this right here is the main big rug that they bought us. This is the pattern, but kind of getting it ready to move boxes up. And there's Honey. So Chris and I are taking a little bit of a break from packing and moving all the boxes upstairs. I think we might do a little bit more tomorrow, but I am going to wrap up this vlog here. I'm actually gonna go get ready to film. The next vlog you'll see will be more of the moving, like actually moving and painting the house. And then the third vlog is going to be like organizing, getting the house situated. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.